You hear us talk about, or might have heard us talk about, the thing that you have control of, the only thing that you have control of being your actions and reactions and behaviors. But what if there's something physiological going on with you, affecting your body, which therefore might be affecting your mood, your energy level, or your digestion? What are some examples of this? Your hormones could be out of balance. This means estrogen, testosterone, progesterone, thyroid hormones, and DHEA. These are all things that can be tested and treated. What if you have a parasite or a worm that you're hosting in your body? These are also things that you can test for and can treat. You could have a microbiome dysfunction or biotoxins that are taking over your body, such as mold or Lyme or heavy metals, all of which will make it so that your body is not running optimally. If you feel like you are doing so many things to pour into your health and you're not getting the results that you would like, you might need to do some additional digging. You can test these things through lab work with a licensed healthcare professional. So first, I'm going to talk to you about some of the tests that you can do to learn more about what might be affecting your health. We talked about the fact that in order to feel optimal, your hormones need to be in balance. Female hormones are typically tested on day 3 for estradiol, also known as estrogen, and day 21 for progesterone to get a glimpse of hormones at their peak time in your cycle, your menstrual cycle. We also like to look at DHEA, FSH, LH, testosterone, and pregnenolone. Next, when it comes to testing thyroid function, it is essential to include the following test to see how your thyroid's performing. And I would say that most mainstream allopathic doctors are just testing TSH, maybe T3, but we also need to include T4, free T3, free T4, TPO antibodies, TG antibodies, and reverse T3. Finally, when we can get an even more in-depth by testing toxicity, Lyme, heavy metals, gut dysfunction, parasites, and antibodies in various organs. If you feel like you're not responding to ways in which you're trying to optimize your health, it might be time to dig a little deeper with some more in-depth testing. A functional medicine doctor, a naturopath, or other integrative doctor can help you with these tests and provide you with follow-up based on your specific results. Don't hesitate to advocate for yourself. If you don't feel good and you're pouring into yourself, you know. If you find that you have some lab values that are not in range, this is not a terrible thing. This provides you and your healthcare provider with direction and a place to start treating and working on. Hormone imbalances, gut dysfunction, thyroid disease, biotoxin illness, autoimmune disorders, they're all treatable. It might take time, but when you start to resolve the imbalance, you'll notice that your feelings of well-being will improve dramatically. The project is you.